We just go no, 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 we can't come close, got it for the low, 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 waited for the six, but it's going slow-mo.
Hi my babes. It's so hard for me to start this video, but I'm trying my best. I'm a really shy person, so please don't mind. As you can see or hear, yes, I'm speaking English. Which is really hard for me because even if I record German speaking videos, it's really hard for me and I'm really shy, but English is a little bit harder for me. I'm so shy, you have no idea. But okay, let's start. The reason why I speak English now is because it's my first video of the year 2018 and I just reached 400k on YouTube. To be honest, I'm really speechless and I don't know what to say, but just thank you so much, guys. I can't believe, I mean, I know that 400,000 people aren't really active on my YouTube channel, but that's not the point. It's the point that really 400,000 people clicked on the subscribe button, and I mean, that's crazy. It's unbelievable. When I started YouTube, my goal was to create videos for everybody, that everybody can watch my videos. And when I speak English, I have like a bigger chance that people understand me. So yeah, I think I did pretty well. Because let's just talk about the facts. I have, I think, 59 videos and I have almost 16 million views. I mean, that's crazy, but that shows that everybody can watch my videos. And like I said, that was my main goal when I started YouTube. Please keep in mind, my English is not perfect at all and I just learned English from school, so it's also not my mother language, it's like my third language, so please keep in mind that my English is not perfect. Let's not talk about the fact that I will do a lot of mistakes, but I hope you don't mind. As you can hear, I'm really shy and I'm a little bit shaky because it's a big step for me. And at my Sugarpies, that's my big announcement. I'm doing my YouTube channel on English and all my other channels on English. Yay! That burp wanted to go out. Sorry. So, my plan is to speak in English, but not only. Because, to be honest, I like these videos where I just don't talk in my videos and just play like good music, for me good music. Because I feel like everybody can watch it, and even though if you just watch my videos because of the music, I mean, that's also a good thing, you know? So I also want to upload like first impressions and say my opinion about some products, and that's also a reason why I just wanted to start talking English. And I think when I speak English in my videos, my English will get better and better and better. And so be patient with me. And I'm still a little bit shy, but I think once I'm really in that thing where filming in English, I have no idea what I'm saying, I'm sorry. Okay, so I think I just talk too much, that's my problem. And I don't talk about some important stuff, that's also a problem. So here's what my plan will look like. I will upload every Sunday my normal makeup tutorials where I don't speak at all. Because like I said, I like this content. But I will upload every Thursday? I know it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Sorry, I wasn't sure. So I will upload every Sunday, like I said, my makeup videos, and every Thursday any kind of video, like my favorite, like my favorite of the month, or like Q&As, or like first impressions, or whatsoever. So you will see every Sunday a makeup tutorial, and every Thursday me speaking. And if you don't like me speaking English, I mean, that's totally fine. Like I said, English is not perfect. You can still watch my makeup tutorials on Sundays. So I hope you'll think that this is a great idea, because like I said, it's a really big step for me, but I just wanted to do it because I'm so thankful, guys. You have no idea. I'm really thankful. I know I'm really like emotional, but I could start crying because I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this is not clickbait, okay? I'm sorry, because it's so amazing that so many people support me, that people come to me and just want to take pictures and think that I'm an idol or something like that. And I think that's a really amazing thing. I'm so sorry, I just wanted to cry. Okay, I think I'm back now. Sorry, I'm a very emotional person, and this really gets me because I'm, like I said, really thankful. Maybe it's for some people or some influencers normal, and but it's not normal for me, and also a reason why I just wanted to start videos in English, because so many viewers of me don't know my personality. They think like I don't know the word in English. I don't know, I can't find the English word for it. It's arrogant in German. Like, I don't know the word in English, to be honest. Don't know. I just wanted to talk German right now. It's like I'm like full of myself. Like I only like I think I'm so pretty and something like that, and I'm like a mean person. I'm not like that at all. I think I'm a really funny and nice person, to be honest. So I hope you do get to know me better, and you know my real personality, and yeah, we're in this together. So I love you so much, you have no idea at all. I'm so thankful for everything, and I'm sorry that I don't have a giveaway right now, but because it was not so planned to do that, but the giveaway is coming soon, so stay tuned. And I love you so much, guys. You have no idea at all. Channels will be in English, so not only YouTube, it will be also Instagram and Snapchat, so don't forget to follow me also there. Like I said, I love you so much. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Love you so much. Endless love and kisses. Bye.